ट्रैफिक को पीछे छोड़ता हुआ एलेक्स on a better clear road, but I think it's momentary. You know what the worst part is? The worst part is to clap your hands like this in public and start a video. Come on, Django, let's do this. Oh yeah. Woo! Let's start this freaking motovlog. Good evening, everyone. I'm your host Alex, and today we are going to motovlog, and this is motovlog number 3. Today we are going to Mayurviha phase 3. That is my home. I grew up in Mayurviha phase 3. Today's distance is 40 kilometers. Yes, that's how long I have to travel every day to get to my office. You might remember this road. I just know this road by heart. Oh God. Thank you very much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I've received a lot of comments and oh my God, what was that? It just went in a blink of an eye. Gaya bhai. Look at the weather, it's sunny. It's 4 o'clock by the way. And it's pretty sunny right now. It's very warm and good. I'm still using the gloves because the air is cool. Aye, coconut. I am not going to need any script or pointers because this one is special. Why do we ride? The basic question for people, parents, friends and everyone. Why do we do what we do? That came out so funny. Show them this video. Why do we ride? आक्रमण के लिए सब तैयार है. Yeah, आक्रमण to the king, to the king. So why do we ride? Traveling जो होता है ना, traveling, it's there in everyone. सब में होता है ये. And it was there in the first nomad as well. It's a basic human instinct to travel. The first nomad or the first guy in his tribe, in order to search for food, in order to search for water, he might have crossed the limits of his tribe. That's where he might have first explored the place. And basically humans, we are not always settling, though we have proved to be of a settling nature. But in life, each and every one of us, we keep moving from places to places, don't we? It is very necessary that that instinct is always polished because it gives a fresh perspective. Ay, tu pagal hai kya? Maine kaha vattondo. Are you like mad? These are the questions that come when I normally go for a ride. So there are many reasons why you should ride a motorcycle, and especially a motorcycle. This kind of control that you get when you ride a motorcycle is just awesome. It's like you got all the control. You can stop whenever you want. You can like take a break whenever you want. It's just you and the motorcycle at that point. And cover it in a bubble. We are like this one unit that's going. No one else. Doing an adventure on motorcycle and then doing an adventure on a car is very different. Both the experiences are very different. In motorcycle you feel a lot of elements, rain, sun, the air. You don't get that in car or in bus. Bhai jao. Bhai bus se pange nahi lene ka. Especially government buses. Why do we ride? For the sake of adventure. The thrill of planning a ride. Bhai jo maza aata hai. The intensity by which you record and you search in Google for the place. How long is it? कितना किलोमीटर दूर है ये जगह और कोई होटल है कि नहीं. And When you backpack basically for a ride, it's just an awesome feeling. I'm pretty sure everyone would agree to this fact. The night before going for a ride, you have those small kidas in your stomach. Like, you're so excited. And then when you are on the road, bye. And then the feeling is just different. The moment you leave home and then hit the road, that first couple of minutes, 5-10 minutes, when it strikes, oh my god, the adventure has begun. It's priceless. हाँ भाई आपकी road है. It's your road, bro. Go all the way. Open all the doors. Why do we ride? It's also a form of escape. I won't say escape. I used to think it was a kind of an escape from the daily rut. It is though, to a certain extent it is. But you can't always run from your problems, right? It gives you that relief when you go on for a ride, for a motorcycle ride or an adventure. It's something different that you get to do, apart from just daily coming in, going out, working. You need some change in life. And it's just easy to just pick up a motorcycle, fill the tank, definitely have some cash ready, and then go for a ride. Your mind is refreshed by the time you come back from a ride. Traffic in my motovlogs are just regular now. Motovlogs बोल तो ऐसे रहा जैसे 120 वीडियोस निकाल चुका है भाई. It's just 3, bro. Why do we ride? Have you ever faced a situation जहाँ पे everything is fucking controlling you? Like problems, your work, and everything. They're all controlling you and you are not able to live your life properly. When you ride a motorcycle in that mission, on that ride, all decisions are just yours. Where to take a left, where to take a right, how much speed you should be. All those things are under your control. It's all you. Everything, every power, every control is under you. Should I even get started? What all things you get to see on a motorcycle ride? Bhai, pahad, nadiyan, trees, people. और ऐसे वैसे भी नहीं, एकदम beautiful. Depends on the place you go, by the way. You get to see all of them. That enriches you, gives you a very pleasant feeling. You are like, finally. ये कुछ ज़्यादा हो गया, but yeah, that feeling does come. Why do we ride? You have a very special bond with your motorcycle. It's just you, the motorcycle on the road. It's your companion there. That bond gets stronger with every ride you go, with every adventures you do together. So a person who does not love riding his motorcycle, trust me, he's just enjoying 50 to 70% of that ride, that's all. A person who loves his motorcycle, trust me, oh, that guy is going to have a really nice time on a motorcycle ride. He would cherish that moment always. Hotel Vista, Jorba. Why do we ride? So you have so many problems in your life, right? Unless you are like a superhuman. I have lots of problems in life. But then there are just so many, and much of them are so implied that you can't keep a check on those problems. So when you go on a motorcycle ride outside the place, outside your home, outside your territory, you see your problems like these in a very micro level, like a globe. Oh, those are my problems, these are my problems. You get to see that, you get an outside look on your problems. That will help you sort them out very nicely. Nikle. Highway travelers. Me too, man, me too. कहीं से भी, कैसे भी. अरे green light, अरे भागो. Bindu wala. अरे eagle. So why do we ride? For a brotherhood. You know, there are so many people who ride motorcycles, so many. Riding has kicked off really nicely. So you will meet lot of really nice people. क्या पंचायत लगी है यहाँ, आगे बढ़ो. जाएगा, गाड़ी आगे जाएगा. Qutub Minar, guys, Qutub Minar. One beautiful monument. Tallest stone-made monument in the world. See that? Between the trees. अगर मैं और between the trees करूँगा, I will be between those cars.
Look at that painting, man. Look at
Damn, it's so big. Why do we ride? आपको पता है, every man has a story. Every man builds a legacy. Maybe bad or maybe good. But imagine being the hero who has ridden his motorcycle all over the country and has traveled. Wouldn't you want that on that story? That's one of the motivating factors. And I'll be honest, it does motivate me a lot. Delhi police.
Oh, Michael Schumacher.
फूल लेके एकदम ट्रैफिक के बीच में से बिना हेलमेट के भाई, ये नैनो बढ़ेगा, आगे बढ़ेगा. Why do we ride? If you have a big vehicle, you won't be able to go everywhere. हर जगह नहीं जा पाओगे आप. But अगर आपके पास एक मोटरसाइकिल है, if you have a motorcycle, you can go through any corners, not like these. On the road, you can take upon any trail, so you can travel more on a motorcycle. You can pick up trails that big vehicles can't go. You will be able to explore very unique places, very pristine and good places. You can do that on a motorcycle. That's one benefit. Have you heard of this term called as nirvana? It is true. Imagine yourself on your motorcycle in the best views of the mountain, between the best rivers, and you have all the time in the world to sit and think and ponder on things. And then when you understand this is what life is, a very short period of time on this planet, and you go out to explore all these things that God has made, and you acknowledge that form of living, you attain nirvana. Okay. Situations like these where your adrenaline is all pumped up, you ride for this feeling as well. There's not something that you get to do every day sitting at home. To go out there on the road and to experience that speed, that thrill of doing off-roading. Traffic को पीछे छोड़ता हुआ Alex on a better clear road, but I think it's momentary. For this thrill, ये thrill के नाम पे ना पक्का एक्सीडेंट हो जाएगा मेरा आज. ओए होए लड़के, बहुत बढ़िया, एकदम नशे में धुत होके चलाए हो गाड़ी. This feeling is good when the roads are clear. So why do we ride? When there is adventure in your life, I don't think you will be bored in life much. You will always have a place to discover. You will always have a vehicle to try. क्योंकि भाई लाइफ में फन मांगता है भाई, एकदम फन. बोर नहीं होने का है, एक ही चीज़ करते करते नहीं रहने का. You should try something new. New place, new cuisine, new environment and culture always helps a person to move on in life. This road is just awesome. I've always admired this road, the Barapulla. Why do we ride? And this is the most important point. The most critical, the most important point. You know what? You know what? Cause it's damn cool. That's why. The ultimate truth. Live life in that coolness, man. You will be awesome. You will feel good. Why do we ride? It helps you learn a lot of new places. It helps you learn a lot of tricks. Riding helps you to self-manage yourself on the road. If you are hit with a problem, you will know there is a procedure to handle it. Step by step है, एक तरीका है और उसके हिसाब से आप उसे handle करोगे. So that confidence, for that confidence, I would recommend everyone to at least go for a couple of rides solo. Definitely solo. Construction. एकदम वैलेंटिनो रॉसी से टर्न लेंगे हम, एकदम झुक के, एकदम घुटना एकदम रोड पे लगा के. Never try that on the bullet. घुटने रह जाएंगे यहीं. Sunset time. Beautiful. Beautiful. Why do we ride? The thrill of taking on an adventure. The distance. Is it achievable? Can we do this? It's on a very high mountain. Can we do that? And once you accomplish that, it's a good feeling. You feel that you have achieved this. You can say that proudly to people. You can share that with people, and it will make you feel really good. So for all those challenges, keep riding. I, your own Indidauber, has a mission 365. Yes, a mission to draw every day, a caricature every day for this year. If you really want to check that illustration, I provided the link down below. Do go and check that out. Let me know how those illustrations are. Rest, if you really like this content, do subscribe, and always let me know how I can improve these videos. To end this discussion of why do we ride, the most important point, yes, even more important than being cool, do it if it makes you happy. Very simple. Bhai maze leke ride karo. Do it for your fun. Nobody is forcing you. Don't have to show it to anyone. But if you really love this and this is your passion, trust me guys, everyone, you guys are in for a treat. Keep riding your motorcycle. It will make you feel good and it will help you become a better person. Another traffic, I can't take this. Godspeed guys, keep riding. Thank you very much for tuning into today's Motovlog. Bye bye.